story begins with a tragic event involving Romeo Ello, a company driver for Oceanmarine Resources Corp. While performing his duties. Ello was killed during a robbery. This devastating loss left his partner, Jenny Rose Nedic, and their minor son seeking justice and support. Jenny Rose, acting on behalf of their child, filed a claim for damages under Article 1711 of the Civil Code, which provides remedies for employees or their heirs in cases of work-related injuries or death. The initial response from the regional trial court was disappointing, as the complaint was dismissed. However, this was just the beginning of a complex legal journey that would eventually reach the Supreme Court. Heart of the case centered on a crucial legal question. Does Article 1711 of the Civil Code still apply, or has it been replaced by the employees' compensation provisions of the Labor Code? The Court of Appeals had reversed the lower court's decision, awarding damages to Jenny Rose and her son. Oceanmarine, however, challenged this ruling, arguing that the Labor Code's compensation scheme should be the sole remedy for heirs of employees who die in work-related incidents. This raised important issues about the rights of workers' families and the extent of legal protection available to them after a tragedy. Supreme Court's decision brought clarity and hope. It ruled that while the Labor Code has indeed superseded Article 1711, heirs are not strictly limited to compensation claims under the Labor Code. Instead, they retain the right to choose their remedy, either to claim compensation under the Labor Code or to pursue damages under the Civil Code. This affirmation of choice means that families of workers who suffer work-related injuries or death are not left without options. The court upheld the award of damages to Jenny Rose and her son, reinforcing the broader protection of workers' families and setting an important precedent for future cases.